puti yan. Puti. Mocha. Native na kape. Done on our day 36, and today's shoulders and abs. Tapos natin, nagawa din natin yung plank dito sa gym. Last week sa bahay ko na ginawa. So, yan lang. Maaga pa yung, maaga pa. Pag nakita ng araw, so we still have a lot of things that we can, ano daw? Maaga pa, kaya we still have a lot of time to do anything we want to do. Yan na lang. So this is your Manong Jepoy, and that's it for the day.